Hey guys, what's up? This is Rock from RockinRocFishing. Just picked up this lucky tackle box in the mail today. I'm actually on vacation today, but before I left, checked the post office when I got it. Looks pretty nice. So we're gonna open her up, do a little review today. I've heard a lot of good things about lucky tackle box. We're gonna be opening it up with a Winchester knife. Picked this up for like 20 bucks, I think. It's pretty good so far. Trying to not cut myself. Alright. One sec, sorry. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, so really nice presentation. Looks pretty solid so far. Let's check out what we got. Okay. So good thing about Lucky Tackle Box, I've heard that they give you a little card with stuff that you get on it. Pretty cool. Like a little thing. So I'll just set this aside real quick over here. Oh wow. So first thing you notice, got ourselves a little rattler. Seems like a jerkbait topwater. Piranha lures. Looks pretty nice. Pretty solid bait. There's got some rattlers, pretty nice. It says 4 hooks on there. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's hollow in there. Apparently it's supposed to give it this sort of action. Let's see if we can focus in on the writing right there. P100 jerkbait series. Nice little lure, and let's see, that retails for $14.99. So you've already made your money back on that right away. First, looks like a solid lure. Be testing that out sometime, make a video on it. Second thing we've got a raw outdoors. See, it's got like a sinking mullet almost, 6 inches long, 0.5 ounces. Got some size 6 hooks on there, it looks like. Pretty solid, got some nice rattles. Let's see, it says for redfish, trout, snook, and many other species. It's pretty solid, a little segmented jerkbait. This I want to say this is, looks pretty solid, and that retails for $11.99. Not bad. So already basically almost doubled your money there. Next up, we've got the Mustad size 1 quantity 10 quantity hooks. These look like they'll be pretty good for some trout, stuff like that. Yeah, definitely trout hooks. Got the wide gap ball eye. Looks like some nice solid hooks. Check it out. Yeah, nice. Looks good with me. And those retail for $4. I do like Mustad hooks, so we'll see how those go. I've never tried those out. So it looks like we got some lip balm here. Looks pretty cool. I mean, gotta keep your lips moist when you're fishing, you know. Don't want to dry them out. Good for the ladies, you know. So next we've got the trout trailers, Crappie Psychic. So I've actually seen these before. They look pretty nice. Never actually used any, but I would. I like how they put not for human consumption. That's nice. You know, someone's tried to eat them before. And those retail for $3.19. So making your money back for sure, definitely on these boxes, definitely cool boxes. So next up we've got the pintail laid on line. Let's see what these are called. So there's some nice soft plastics. This chartreuse with like bluish glitter or greenish glitter. Looks pretty nice actually. I think I'd probably get some good, maybe like flounder on these, or not exactly what they're, I don't know, I usually run chartreuse patterns on for flounder. But yeah, we'll give these a try. And finally, get your lucky tackle box sticker. Gotta have one of these. Probably gonna put this on the card today. Looks pretty nice. So yeah, that's my review. Unboxing more or less of lucky tackle box. March Inshore Saltwater edition. Definitely go check them out, give them a try. And fish on. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Really glad y'all could watch the video, see some lures and try new products and stuff like that. So I'll definitely be making reviews on each one of these products, and I'll upload them. Show you all. Thanks for tuning in.